What is up, everybody, and welcome to another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make Minecraft PE mods 2020 mobile. Yeah, so first thing you're going to want to do is get an app called Crafty Craft, okay? And this will help you make all your mods. See, I've made 5 mods here, so you can build the mods and everything, okay? So once you go pause this and go download it. Then you go to create add-on, add a new entity. So then, let's say I wanted to make a blaze a million times stronger. I can make its health 200, its movement speed to 1. You can make its damage to I don't know, whatever you want. That's probably too high of a value. But you could do that and then save it. Then you can click another one. You can go to weapons, like this, and you can customize those ones. And then you got TNT, and you can make like a nuke mod, make the value 1000, and your world will completely crash, okay, and causes fire. So you can do that. Then you can go with like all these other items. You can change up an apple, make it look like pie for some odd reason if you want to. Then when you're done with that, you're going to want to use your 3 diamonds. And here's your add-on. My add-on's add-on 00110, this one. I click install add-on, 3 diamonds to Minecraft. You click on Minecraft, make sure you do that. And then it will load, it will take you to your Minecraft and it'll keep loading. Then you can go to create new world. It'll reset real quick. And then it's successfully added. Go to resources, my packs, activate that add-on. And then make sure it's also activated here. See, it is. So then go to game. I'm going to go creative. I go to create. And some of them you might have to use experimental gameplay, which I'll show you after if this does not work, because it doesn't always tell you, but you actually have to go use experimental gameplay. While it's loading. Let's see if it worked. Okay, so I can go to Apple. There we go. I can go to a blaze. I'm going to grab a sword to show you how strong blaze is now. Grab flint and steel. Get some TNT. Okay. I'm going to show you how strong the blaze is. Oh my gosh, see? The blaze is gone. That's the movement speed I added. Look at them go. And it's impossible to hit them now, but they are insanely strong. Okay, and then you got your apple, which is just pie. Then your TNT, which I do not recommend this. I'm going to have to delete this world because my game is going to be gone. I'm not even far enough away. Yep, here we go. And then you can see how the TNT just explodes. The white stuff that comes out, that's flames. So it's loading in all the damage you just did to your world. Look at that. The mod really works. You can do so much with the mod too. And now you got a massive crater. So I'm going to quickly show you what experimental gameplay is. So let's say that it said you need the add or it's not working, so you go to experimental gameplay, scroll down. This button says push continue. It says experimental gameplay, and then you just create the world. That's how it works. So thank you for watching this. I hope this helped, and goodbye.